This video we are discussing the example based on fraction, and also in this example we will use the BODMAS and PEMDAS rule, and also this example is hard from previous last example. Okay, so watch this complete video. If you are new, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. So we are starting this video. 1 multiply 3 over 6 divided by 6 divided over 2 multiply by 4 minus 1 over 2. So first of all we simplify this. 1 multiply 3 is 3 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 2 multiply 4 is 8 and minus 1 over 2. Okay, so 6 divide 3. So in this situation first we simplify the division. 3 over 6, also we simplify this. 3 over 6 is, it means 1 over 2, and divided by 6 over 8, it means 2 over 3 over 4, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. And now we simplify the first division. So division simplify, change the into multiplication, and this the forward term reciprocal 4 over 3 and minus 1 over 2. And now let's first simplify the multiplication. In numerator multiply numerator and denominator multiply denominator. So 4 over 6 minus 1 over 2. And now also we simplify this. 4 over 6, it means 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. And at the last step we choose the LCM, least common multiple, least common multiple. So this when we choose those number on which 3 table and 2 table going on. So we choose the 6. Okay, 3 table on 6 is 2 times 2 multiply 2. Okay, and minus 2 table on 6 is 3 times 3 multiply is 1. So now 2 multiply 2 is 4 minus 3 multiply 1 is 3 divided by 6. 4 minus 3 is 1 and divided by 6. When we solve 1 divided by 6, and we will get the answer 0.167. So let's we verify this answer. Okay, so here we write 0.167. So this is the right answer. We are getting. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.